Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm educating the public on how to detach or remove a bank that has been attached to your PayPal account, or a debit or a credit card that has been attached. The reasons why we may be detaching a bank or a card that has been attached is maybe some card maybe have expired. So I'll be taking you step by step. So the very first step is you go to the money page. Once we come to money page, we'll see the available balance, and we will see in this page we will see all the bank accounts that have been attached. We can see the banks that have been attached. It is one card. There is no card. The second reason why we said we might be detaching the Community Federal Savings Bank from a PayPal account, maybe the bank might be have expired. Secondly, you might meet that we don't want to associate this bank again with the PayPal account, and those are the two reasons that we might be detaching. So what we will come to we will come here and we'll be able to click Community Federal Savings Bank. So we will click on the bank, on the attached bank. Once we click on it, I know it will open. The same case would apply if it was a card. Then we'll come here to the attached bank. Once we come to the attached bank, we'll see remove the bank, and upon clicking that, we'll tell you, are you sure that pending transaction will still be processed and automatic payment will be charged to another funding source after removing the bank. We'll see removing. So it means if maybe you had subscribed to services like maybe Netflix or something, it tells you that they'll still be able to cut charges. Thank you for sticking with me at the end of the video recording. The tutorial was how to remove a debit or a credit card or a bank account from your PayPal account. I can see. So thank you for sticking with me at the end of the video recording. I'll be taking you. Thank you.